Hello guys, good morning. Alam mo ba, magtataka kayo is alauna pa lang gising na ako. Itong tenga na to, guys, sa totoo lang ang ingay-ingay kanina. Maingay. Alam mo kung bakit? Matutulog na ang mga demonyong tao sa Denmark. At ang taga-kuda ay kapitbahay naming animal sa Pilipinas. Yeah. At itong tenga na to, guys, kapag ako'y kakanta, ang dami-dami nilang satsat. Yeah. They interrupt me all the time that I'm singing so I can make my lyrics bad. Yeah. I can pronounce different words. Yes. Without lyrics. Yeah. Alam mo kung bakit? You know why? Because of this packing camera. Yeah. Speaker, the loudspeaker in my ears disturb me all the time. I've been in ears clinic asking if she can remove, not move, yeah. See, move, move, remove, yes. You know what? In her side, in right side, she used a machine to remove very, strong. In the other side, like what I said, I want to remove very fast. But you know what? Oh, I know that she taking care because I discovered in the other side, there's a metal that there's a sound when she use a vacuum in ears. Yes. In the other side, she need to be careful. And then she said that we need to do something, yeah. And then she put extra to make more noise. Yes. And they are controlling me not to go out in Denmark because if I go to Kalibo, they will make more mudos. Yeah. Contact someone there that we can pay. Yeah. But honest is, I want to remove this. Yes. I'll never go out to clinic without remove this kind of noise because I don't want to continue my life that they can ruin my career, my future because of this packing camera and speaker. You know what, Doktora Ramona, sana matulungan niyo ako. Kasi sa totoo lang, dito sa Denmark, hindi ko alam kung sinasaniban ba talaga ng speaker or camera ang mga bunganga at mga mata ng mga tao dito. Pero sa totoo lang ay napakabastos ng mga tao sa country ito. Nag-PM ako sa hospital. Kung saan ka man nagtatrabaho ngayon. Yes. Nag-PM ako, nag-leave ako ng message kasi sa totoo lang, itong putang inang kamerang ito ay gusto kong tanggalin. At gusto ko ay kayo ang magreto sa akin kung saan ako pwede magpatanggal ng sa tenga na to na pwede nyong pagkatiwalaan. Kasi sa totoo lang, dito sa Denmark, even that I'm asking help, I'm begging help, they don't care. Or else, they will put you more to make you sleepy. Honest is, I feel sleepy all the time. Even that I'm not taking a medicine because of this speaker in my ears. And I want to remove, yeah. I want to remove. And I hope that I can borrow a machine and she can teach me or they can teach me how to start. I will remove self. Yes. Much better that I will do it self instead of someone holding my ears because it's so irritating. I cannot trust anybody because of this packing world. Thinking about money. Thinking how to earn money. Alam mo, Doktora Ramona, sa totoo lang nabubwisit ako sa mga tao. Ginagamit ang katawan ko para ipabastos, yes. Ginagamit ang katawan ko para gawin akong tanga. But honest is, I can speak English too, yeah. When I was there last time, they make me more noise. So I cannot talk to you good in English. Oo nga pala, tingnan mo naman yung mga alalay ko. Mga inggiterang na nakabuntot sa akin. Kamag-anak ko pero nuknukan ng sinungaling at inggitera. Yeah. At hindi ko ini-expect. Akala ko isang tao lang ang inggitera na pamangkin ko. Diyos ko Lord, yes. Hindi ko alam kung sinasaniban ba ng corona. Yeah. Pero alam mo, doktora, kailangan ko talaga ma-remove to. I don't need medicine. I need to do, the need to do is remove that speaker in my ears and camera. Because every time that I'm naked inside my room, because I feel irritating if I have a clothes, I cannot sleep if I have a clothes. Someone watch me and I don't like it. No one told me where is the camera, but I'm thinking that I know it's there somewhere. You know, small camera. If there's a small camera in my ears, of course they can do that too. Yeah. You know, I'm gonna be crazy. Look after the camera all the time. If they install inside my rooms. But you know what? Because of this camera, yeah. Did you see me? For sure, you can see my fingers, right? In front of my ears. Yeah. That's a camera that we put more and make more noise. Yes. And then when I complain, one of my old doctor, oh, you know what? You're so stressed, Rogelia. You need to take medication. Annie says, I don't need medication. I feel nervous now. Here. I feel nervous here in Denmark. It's because of people make me scared. People pull me. Bring to the mental hospital. Bring to the police station even without case. Yeah. That's my life in Denmark, Dr. Ramona, if you're listening. For sure, you're watching to all my videos. My life in Denmark in how many years is a miserable, yeah. Miserable because of a user kind of people here that they are not only a corrupt, sindikato sila sa buhay ko. Yeah. They are syndicate in my life in how many years. They can pull my daughter going somewhere, yeah. They can pull me going to prison or mental hospital even without sickness. You know what I said in the beginning? If you didn't say lie, or if you think that you're innocent, we can use lie test. Yeah, lie test is the best. So we can find who is liar, who is sick, who is not sick. But I hate the way they are doing. They are forcing me in so many ways, yes. And they said that they are here to help me to be okay. No. They want to make me crazy. Yeah. Make me crazy. I destroyed my life. I destroyed my dreams because of fucking world I have. Yes. Especially this fucking speaker in my ears. Yeah. When I discovered that, you know, they remove one. Because, you know, the sound is like that. It's a metal, yeah. And then the other side, oh, yeah. You know what? There's no earwax inside. The other side, there's earwax, but in the other side, it's clean, yeah. But you know what? She didn't try to do what they done in the other side, in her right side of my ears. You know what she is doing? Oh, she need to be careful, cleaning my ears. Pretend that, you know, and then, you know, using a kind of like that. And I want to know how many camera it's there now. Because it's make more noise, yeah. More noise. More noise that I can feel sleepy. Why I feel sleepy all the time? Then they said, because this girl is very lazy. Yeah. She don't want to work. Annie says, I want to work. I'm alcoholic, what they call, workaholic, not alcoholic. Tingnan mo, di ba? It's like that, yeah. Alcoholic. I'll never drink if you don't care. Alcoholic and workaholic is different. Two different words, yes. Workaholic is you love to work. Alcoholic, you want gin. Yeah. Now, do you understand? What is the two different words that I need to explain to you? Hoy, packer in my ears. Pack you. Yeah. Pack you. Honestly, I'm very, very mad na. Yes. Two words you don't know, right? Tutor, shooter. Lightning, thunder. You don't know the two different words. How it's different. Alcoholic is a different. Did you see me drinking all of my life? It's happened once. Never ever happen again. Because of influence of Pilipina around me. Yeah. They give me drinks. But I didn't know why they need to do that. Why they need to do that? Because they have a biggest plan. How they ruin my life that I didn't know. Now, Denmark, it's English. How can you explain to the world that I cannot manage to speak English? I cannot manage to speak Danish. Do you want that I will? I will speak Danish all the time to my YouTube channels. Be sure that you can translate nicely. Because you'll never be nice to me. You'll never be honest to anyone listening or watching to your site. Denmark. You know what? If I'm done studying here in Denmark after Danish course, for sure, Denmark, you cannot put me down all the time. And I don't care for that sound namit. Honest is, it sounds very disgusting. She cannot manage to speak English, but they are good to insult me. Hello, girls. I'm not like you. I don't want to put my head down because you are down. Yeah. And I don't want to destroy my dignity because you're arrogant idiot. If I go together with a professional person, I'm professional too. But if I go together with joker person, I'm funny person too. I can have a friends, nice friends. You feel jealous, you know why? Because I know that your job is destroying me. Yeah. If you hold someone mouth, it because he is scared that he will kick you. Yeah, you kick him out in Denmark. Oh yeah, people here is like that now. Holding each other, yeah. Because they are scared to move away or to move to their own country. Yeah, ako? I'm willing to go back to my own country. And they said that I cannot manage to stay here. I don't care. But honest is, you didn't give me the 100,000 that it's a law that you help person. Give 100,000 so she can buy a ticket going back to their own country. But you didn't do that. Do you remember that since in August, we moved here to have a silent life. But you'll never give me a peace of mind. You're not shy for that, to following wherever I go. And then now, I have a plan to go back to my own country. You have a contact to neighbors to make me more irritating. Hoy, neighbors, just move away from me. If I take you a video, you're gonna be sad if I will send you to the prison. Remember these words. You cannot make me scared. You cannot make me run because that's your plan. Ito. What? I will walk straight, smile. If you're tired listening to me in YouTube channels, in my YouTube channels, you are free to move away. You know what is your problems, neighbors? You are toxic. Yeah. You are dying, jealous, toxic type of person. If I'm gonna be success in life because I work hard for it. And it's not my problem. This is your brain is not working. Yeah. Since young, I work hard so I can earn money. Yeah, that's me. When I graduated high school, I'm still, serious in life. Why? Because I want to go to school. I need to focus how to earn money. And it's not my fault if I'm clever than you. Do you understand now? Now it's English, Denmark. You need to do is just move away from me. And don't make more trouble, okay? Don't disturb me in evening time. It's not my problems if you have a problems in your brain. Yun lang, Denmark. Lalayas na ako sa country nyo. I'm leaving soon. So, you need to be proud and enjoy your life, okay? Without me. You know what? Honestly, I cannot understand why you always following wherever I go, even of this fucking camera that it's irritating niya. It's a fucking irritating niya. Did you see this? Did you see this, right? Oh yeah, it's irritating. It's irritating. Did you see this? This. Yeah, it's a packing camera. Yeah. And you need to pretend that you didn't know what's happening in my life here in Denmark. Hello? Are you sure for that? Are you sure? Did you tell to everyone if it's real? Napakasinungaling yung mga hinayop kayo. At this time, do you think that I feel sad? I'll never sleep in airport. And if it's happened, for sure they will help me to wake me up. Yes, Denmark. I will ask to anyone wake me up or bring me to the airplane. Why? Because of this camera, because of this speaker, they can make me sleepy. Yeah. And that's the reason why they need to do that. They do that so I can miss my flight. Yeah. So they can bring me back here in Denmark in illegal way. So they can, do something illegal. Yeah. Denmark, I don't have any plan to go back to your country. If you hate me, I hate to stay here too. Because, every time that I'm staying here, you're just making more worse how to kill and kick me. Yeah, Denmark. If you didn't kick me, you make me more confused. So I can do your, activity in evening time. You know what? It's not my fault. If you want to, alam mo na, FUCK, yeah, every night. Because normally, it's normal, yeah, if you have a partner. But you cannot force someone because you want to earn. Do you understand now? Oh yeah, that's it, Denmark. Because I have a family calling me. Yeah, goodbye soon. Goodbye for life. Yeah. Don't following wherever I go. Because I want to continue a good future. Yeah. I don't have future to this country. And I'll never dream to be a prostitute. Yeah. Don't call me swore. No. Because I'll never dream to be like them. If some of them is working like that, hello, I'll never dream to be like that. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, I dream to be a wedding coordinator. And it's not my fault if I want to find a perfect husband. Yeah. You need to do is just leave me alone. Move. Yeah. And say goodbye to me.